All right. We're at Sugar Creek 1. Still remember this elevator. It says on that shadow right there, surprise. We got an Otis Lexan from 1972. Listen to the relay. Still remember since last time. Let's go to 2. Number 1. All right, now get a listen to this motor. Here we go. Nice, lovely. You can come inside. I don't need to get your face in there. I'm just recording the elevator, that's all.
Oh, I'm going home.
Yeah, I am too. If I get your face in there, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to. I just love old elevators, that's all. You can go ahead and leave.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Well, I have nice.
Put your Otis nameplate right there. Now listen to this. Here are the relays. And also look at this. See, it's got the old bumper, which takes a while to respond. So that's your safety edge right there. Or watch it close up. There it goes. And that's it.